Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will review the Kawasaki Z1000. So we will take a quick look at the packaging. It is the Kawasaki motorcycle, and here is the Veli logo. And nothing, sorry guys, there is nothing such to tell about the packaging. And over here you can see the Veli logo and Kawasaki's logo. And over here it is written that the shocker moves. So now we don't need the package so much. So now we will take a quick look at the stand. It is the showcase stand. If you don't need that stand, then you can put the rear tire over here and put it like this. Then it looks like a showpiece. And now we will talk about the bike. The bike is pretty well. If you buy this bike, you will not be disappointed. It is very cheap price bike. Obviously Veli has all half of their bikes are cheap in price, but still I don't know how do they give the center stand of this. Actually it is not center stand, it is just the showcase stand. Okay guys, and at the first look which you see on the side is that you will like the exhaust very much, because the exhaust looks very pretty well, because it is very big size. That's why it is it has a 4 silencers, 1 2 3 4 silencer, and a fatty tire at the back, and the headlamp, 2 indicators, and Kawasaki Z1000 logo. One thing I don't like about this bike is the bad quality stand. Bad quality I'm saying because when I do it up, it falls like this. So nothing to do about that guys, nothing big issue. Just when I play with it sometime, that on time only it problems, but nothing to worry, because half of the time I put it in stand only. Okay guys, and over here at the tank, wait guys, over here at the tank the Kawasaki logo, and here is the indicator. And one thing I want to tell you about that in normal diecast motorcycles the handle comes till this much, but in this full it comes till the end of it. And at that side is more than this, I think so, but I don't know the real exact size of it. And it has golden color shockers. Over here it is white, and you can see the disc brake and the caliper. Here you can see the chain. At its opposite side you can see the disc brake of the back wheel, and here is the speedometer. Wait guys, let me on my flash, otherwise you will not be able to see it fully. So guys, this is the meter like this. It is an analog speedometer, not a digital speedometer. And the headlight is very pretty. Wait, let me on my flash. It looks very well. And guys, one thing I want to show you is the rear lamp. You are seeing it now, it is ash color, and now you see that it is blinking. It blinks because of its ash color. Its ash color helps it to blink like that white color, and the back indicators are also white color. At the front I have shown you all would have understood. And over here beside the seat there is written Z1000, and it has 2 mirrors. Half of this bike's price range in which are of other categories of other companies, they don't get a meter also. This get a meter which looks very pretty well. I got it in $250, but you all can get it in more price also, because the whole means sells it, they all take out the label, so nothing to do. Till $500 is the last price. If somebody asks you more than $5, then $500, then please don't buy it, because it is not worth after $500. It is at least worth of $400, but I have got it in $250. That was my luck. But it is of China, so it would be a little bit lesser than my price which I have paid, but nothing to do. I like the plastic covered engine very much. Don't think that it is of metal. This portion is of metal, the tank, and the seats portion is of metal, but the seats are not of metal. This side is fully of metal, and this part is also of plastic, the mudguard also, and the headlamp also. And the exhaust, obviously you would have wondered, but who all have not wondered, only I am saying for them. So at the back, at the number plate, there is written pretty well Kawasaki Z1000, no reflectors, wood. And I want to show you the shocker that are very well in this bike. See guys, I am not having to give any pressure, I am just pressing like this. It goes down. So soft shocker it has. It has a very good shocker, guys. Then sometimes when I stand it, then only I do it like that. But nothing to do, the shocker is very soft, so sometimes it happens. So nothing to tell about something about the bike. The bike is in a medium range, that is good. I am not saying it is bad, I am not saying that it is too high, but when you see it from this side, it looks very pretty well. I love the sharp edges of the bike, really. This sharp edge and the whole sharp edge of the tail light, I love it, really, man. It's Kawasaki. Kawasaki only makes such bikes. I like the engine area very much, the 1000cc engine area. The area has fully been in black. And so the handlebars levers are of white color, and the throttle and the handle bar is of black. So at the headlights, I love the headlight very much. The headlights design is very good. I don't think so in 1000cc segment any other diecast motorcycle have this type of headlight. If you want to buy it, then you can buy it. The description is below. So from the description you can buy it. It is a very nice motorcycle. While giving 250 bucks, I didn't felt anything bad, and it has a showcase stand also. That's why I have taken it in this segment. Means of 250 bucks segment, you will not get any other bikes showcase stand with the box. I don't think so you will get. Please tell me in the comment section, and tell me next time which bike you want to see in my channel. I will bring that bike. Please tell me in the comment below. So bye guys. Please subscribe my channel. If you have liked the video, then please like. If you dislike the video, then please dislike the button. So guys, here we end the video. So for today it is still this much. See you on the next video. Please comment.